In this video, I would like to review Pathfinder's map view. The map view aggregates all location data and plots it on a map, providing the investigator with a visual display of the owner's location and enabling him to filter the data by time, person, and place. The location information is derived from the different geographical data points obtained from the digital device, such as GPS data, navigation apps, cell towers records, Wi-Fi networks, and media location tagging. When using the map view, investigators add critical insights to a person's presence at a specific location in time and quickly suggest legitimate or criminal behavior and relevance to a case by proximity to an event or other person. As you can see on the map, each event is marked in a color-coded circle. Each one indicates a different owner and the number of events identified at that specific location. The list of individual events in the cluster is shown in the detailed right pane. A color-coded square indicated a location where more than one owner have been identified. This situation is called mutual location. Pathfinder's Mutual Locations feature highlights events where several of the case owners have been spotted at the same time and place, allowing the investigators to easily identify common meeting places, look for a recurring visiting pattern, and even see them returning to the crime scene. The Mutual Location feature leverages all the different geographical data, except for the online search places, to ensure proper location analysis. In order to identify a mutual location, go to the Faceted Filters pane. Scroll to the Locations filter and select Mutual Locations between owners. Now set the maximum distance between the owners and the maximum time range between them and click Apply. As you can see in the map, Pathfinder has identified the locations where more than one owner has been spotted and highlighted them in a color-coded squared icon showing the number of mutual events. The different colors indicate the relevant owners. When clicking on the square, detailed information on the event will appear on the right bar, allowing direct access to the identified event, the relevant parties, specific GPS coordinates, date and time, and even relevant image or media files. For more information on this feature and others, please click the Help button at the top right side of the screen or reach out to your Cellebrite contact.